while I was doing this, I also made sure to delete any pauses to keep the video entertaining to watch without having to listen to any dead air. So at this point, I pretty much had my AI avatar script edited the way that I wanted. So now it was time to add in the picture of the product and the video clip. So I added them into CapCut, then I took my picture and I placed it on the timeline where I wanted it to pop up, and I resized it to how I wanted it to look in the video. And then I added in a pop sound effect to play with it. So I came to audio and then clicked on sound effects, and I did a search for pop-up sound effects. Then I listened to each one and I picked a trending pop sound effect for the video, and I dragged it onto the timeline to play it at the same time as it appears on screen with the picture.